Hi friends. Do you get confused when someone says present tense, verb, grammar? Don't worry. I will explain everything slowly and simply. Let's start learning English the easy way. What is tense? Tense means the time of an action. When something happens, past, present or future, that is called tense. In this video, we are learning the present tense. Present tense means what is happening now or regularly. There are 4 types of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Let's learn one by one. First one is simple present tense. We use simple present to talk about things we do every day, habits, universal truths. Structure: subject plus verb. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. Here verb is wake up. This is the action, something I do every day. Another example: she drinks tea. Verb is drinks. This is her habit. Drinks is what she regularly does. Another example: the sun rises in the east. Here verb is rises. It's a fact. Second one is present continuous tense. This tense is used when something is happening right now. Structure: subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing. Example: I am watching this video. Verb is watching and this action is happening now. Another example: he is eating food. Here verb is eating. Eating shows what he is doing now. Third one is present perfect tense. This tense is used when an action is already completed, but the result is important now. Structure: subject plus has have plus verb. Example: I have finished my homework. Verb is finished and work is done. Now I am free. Another example: she has gone to the market. Here verb is gone and she is not here now. She already left. Last one is present perfect continuous tense. Use this when the action started earlier and is still happening now. Structure: subject plus has or have been plus verb plus ing. Example: I have been studying for 2 hours. Verb is studying. Studying started 2 hours ago and still going on. He has been working since morning. Verb is working. He started working in the morning and he is still working. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence like: I go to school. I am going to school. I have gone to school. I have been going to school. Try one sentence in the comments. I'll reply and help. Like this video. Subscribe for more simple lessons. Share with someone who is learning English.